Moon quiz. Directions. Match each definition with the vocabulary word in the word bank. Place the letter of the word in the blank beside the correct definition. Underline the key words in the definitions to help you. A. Moon. B. Phases/lunar cycle. C. Seasons. D. Full moon. E. New moon. Number 1. A natural satellite that orbits the Earth that shines by the sun's reflected light. Number 2. Phase of the moon where the whole moon appears lit up. Number 3. Changes in weather caused by the position of the Earth in its orbit around the sun. Number 4. Phase of the moon where we cannot see the moon from the Earth. Number 5. The different shapes of the moon as we see it from Earth during the time the moon revolves around the Earth. Number 6. A student wants to use a spinning basketball to model the day and night cycle on Earth. What should the student do in order to best model the cause of the day and night cycle? A. Spin the ball in different directions. B. Tilt the ball while it is spinning. C. Paint one half of the ball black and the other half white. D. Shine a bright light on one side of the ball. Number 7. Earth is like the moon in many ways. One way the moon is different from Earth is A. There is no weather on the moon. B. There are no craters on Earth. C. There is no weather on Earth. D. There is more gravity on the moon. Number 8. What causes different parts of the moon to be lit as it orbits Earth? A. Reflection from the sun. B. Refraction from the sun. C. Revolving around the sun. D. Rotation around the sun. Number 9. The sequence below shows the different amounts of visible light seen during the moon's appearance. If a picture was added to the right, it can be predicted that the visible light seen would A. Increase, B. Decrease, C. Expand, D. Disappear. Number 10. A student creates a table to show characteristics of Earth and the moon. Characteristics of Earth and the moon. Earth, atmosphere provides breathable air, dust and rocks on surface. Moon, dust and rocks on surface, many visible craters from meteor impact. Which of the following could be classified as a characteristic of Earth but could not be classified as a characteristic of the moon? A. Craters form from meteor impacts. B. Very thin atmosphere. C. Surface change by weathering and erosion. D. Obtains light from the sun. Number 11. Which force is responsible for the orbiting motion of the planets around the sun? A. Magnetism. B. Motion. C. Gravity. D. Friction. Number 12. Which statement best explains the relationship between the planets and the sun? A. The planets rotate around the sun in the same direction. B. The planets revolve around the sun in the same direction. C. The sun supplies the same amount of heat to all the planets. D. The sun's gravity provides gravity on all the planets. Number 13. Which physical characteristic is a similarity between the sun and the moon? A. Both objects reflect light. B. Both objects produce their own light. C. Both objects have rocky surface features. D. Both objects are spherical in shape. Number 14. The table below shows some characteristics of the moon as it revolves around Earth. Moon data. Phases, description, time seen during the lunar cycle. New moon. Cannot be seen, first day. Waxing crescent. Thin piece seen on the right side, 3 days after new moon. First quarter. Right half seen 7 days after new moon. Waxing gibbous, more than half seen 10 to 11 days after new moon. Full moon, all of one side seen 14 days after new moon. Waning gibbous, more than half seen 17 to 18 days after new moon. Last quarter, left half seen 21 days after new moon. Waning crescent, thin piece seen on the left side 25-27 days after new moon. From the first phase listed, about how long will it take the moon to return to the new moon phase? A, 1 day, B, 20 days, C, 28 days, D, 2 days. Number 15. What moon phase comes next in the chart below? A, B, C, or D?